What's up guys, thank you for checking here. Today, I'll be playing Animal Company. I played this before. I'm trying to find how to change colors, but yes, someone found it for me. So yeah, and don't mind this gun. So let's get it. I gotta get out of here.
Nice.
Get out of here. Whoa, okay. Yo, okay, I done my bag. This is a robbery! 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 This is a robbery, don't you think? Oh hell no!
I escaped.
Hey robber! I got some money! I got some money! Oh shit! Help! Guys, help! There's a robber chasing me! There's a robber chasing me!
Can somebody find me a grenade?
My crossbow back, cripple.
Do it, Berto.
No, bro.
Bro, can I have a grenade, please? Can I please have
Where's he at? Oh, he's right there. Oh, wait,
Please,
never
I really
mind.
need a grenade.
Hey! Over here! Over here! Bro died. Bro died. Bro died. Bro died already, bro.
He claimed his daily challenge. He claimed his daily reward. Get him. He just claimed his daily reward. Get him.
Cyan? Wait, Cyan?
Yes, he claimed his daily reward. Get him.
What's over here? Guys, I found something over here. Guys, do you guys want to come here for this? Dude, wait, what's in there? What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? There.
Hunting season.
What?
Season. Hey,
What season?
duck.
No.
Where'd you go? It's duck hunting season, dumbass. Orders paid, duck. Go to chicken. We're going to steal.
Rabbit season.
Machine. Go sell it to the selling machine. It has really good items. Trust me. Sell it.
What's over here?
Sell it, yes. How much would that be if I brought the anglerfish to spawn? 20.
Guys, I found something.
Oh my god. You just lost your chance.
What is it?
Where are you?
I'm from New Mexico.
I found something. I barely found something.
What? What?
What's in there?
Oh, the mimic. And
The
gold.
mimic? Should
Yeah,
we
the
go?
gold.
Should we go?
Yeah. It's fun in
Alright.
there. Except for the fact that he'll
Wait, watch out! There's a bomb.
The mimic knows he the mimic
Oh,
actually
shit.
mimics your movesets. For real.
Is this like a maze?
When,
or something?
when you activate him,
Is
he'll,
it- is this like a
mimic
maze?
Where you going? Like it's like it's like the Mario Galaxy.
Just want to find a rabbit.
We don't call it the maze. We call it the cave. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm barely in the cave flash maze right now.
I heard something. So I'm scared. It's like he will
I'm scared
pop
too,
out
bro.
from
I'm scared
any
too.
corner. Like, I haven't been in here in a long. Oh, no, no, he's in there. Oh, someone's in here.
Who is that? Who is that?
It's like we activated a cutscene
Who is that?
or something. Someone
Oh,
just stepped on a landmine, pretty sure. The mimic will not appear on the screen. Move behind walls.
Hi, peoples.
hi.
It gets to you, so.
We can move behind walls.
Hi.
Where'd you go?
I love good nights. I love good.
He's right here.
Bozo. El Bozo. Who come here for an interview?
My cow!
Just to be clarified, I'm barely recording this.
What is this?
Oh, oh wait, can I try? Can I try? Alright, hang on. What's that?
Don't shoot me, bro. Don't shoot me, bro. Oh, sit on a thing.
You sound like
I got a purple stick. Whee!
I love
Look at these
Christmas.
suction cups,
I
dude.
love
the
Christmas.
bangers, dude. Look at me, I'm on the roof. I'm Spider-Man.
My balls, wherever
I'm just a YouTuber who bounces all the time.
I like you. Yeah.
Jump.
It's Black Spider-Man. It's Black Spider-Man.
Everyone.
Don Miles Morales.
It's Miles!
He's black.
No one's
Get
doing
it?
the plunges now.
Get it? The me. I'm Spider-Man. He's black.
They can stick to walls if you drove it.
Wait, don't do it. Don't use it, bro. Don't use it.
I'm gonna drove it and see if it sticks to the walls.
I'm using it as my weapon. Oh, give me that. Give me that.
Yo.
I'm trying to see if it sticks to the wall. There we go.
I got my weapon. I got my weapon. I got my.
I got my weapon.
Hang on.
This is my
Gotta
weapon.
check something. Okay. Nom.
Guess what? No toilet paper for next
Somebody
year.
please come out. I'm feeling low.
Bro! I hate you.
Ah! I died.
Are you sped right now?
Bro, I barely died.
How did you fall down?
I don't know. I was trying to go back. I was trying to go back to spawn. Lucky for me, I'm gonna go back.
Go back and hurry up. The mimic is back.
Where's the mimic?
He looks like someone. He literally looks like a group. I saw him.
There's a person right in front of me, and I do not know who it is.
Hold on, I'm coming over there.
Well, what the?
Run!
Who is that?
That's definitely.
Who is that? Oh my God! It's Grimace. It's Grimace. Should we go?
Yo.
What the
Let's go back. Free flashlight. Hey, bitch. Not even the fuck. Be going hard. What is bro saying?
Alright. I think I'm back. Oh, the mimic, I think. Not sure, but I'm about to do cannonball. I'm about to do a cannonball. Cannonball!
that bitch gets.
Don't mind if I steal this. Don't mind if I steal this.
Yo, wait, guys, the thing. Does it automatically explode when you shoot it?
Yeah, it does. It does.
Oh, I need one of those.
After it makes impact, it explodes.
Alright. Okay, after this, I'm gonna like end the video here. So.
Wait, no, give me the fart machine.
What did you eat? 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 Purple. Grimace. Grimace.
Big
Wait,
fat
it's
car.
Barney. It's Barney. It's Barney.
Wait.
Hey Barney. Hey Barney. What did you eat? Barney. What did you eat? What did you eat?
I love Mickey D's
I
nuts.
can't take this.
Mickey D's died.
Somebody grab my backpack. There's no bombs in that prom.
That was Queso farting. That was Queso farting. By
Come taking it.
that was Queso farting. By the way.
The only person. Back. Thank you.
Where do y'all go? Where did y'all go? Where did y'all? What? What is it? What is it?
Have a bomb, guys.
Do it.
Throw it.
Yeah, throw it. What?
He's throwing the
What?
mimic is throwing it.
The mimic is throwing
Ha ha! Ha! He didn't get me. 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 He didn't get me.
Trying to catch work.
He didn't get
Why the
me.
mimic catching work with them? I heard.
Hey Barney. Hey Barney.
Nigger mimic.
Hey, ugly.
I love you. You love me. There's a bomb in the bag. There's a bomb in the bag. There's a bomb in the bag.
Yo, who made the mimic mad?
plan
Yo,
failed,
bro,
bro.
you good?
Nah.
You good?
It's the mimic. It's the mimic. It's the mimic. Oh, never mind.
Thinking about life,
Dude, if you get,
bro.
if you
Not
get
gonna lie.
Oh, shh. Hey.
Guys, get the mimic over here! Get the mimic over here! Get it over here!
Get me the hell out of here.
Where's the mimic?
I have no idea.
I killed him.
I think that's him.
He's over there. He's over there. He's over there.
Kill the mimic!
No, that's him.
Kill the mimic!
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
You shut up.
Let's get spotted. Bro.
Not you, nigga.
Stop saying the N-word.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Get their stuff. Get their stuff.
Where's the mimic? Where's it? Oh
I
god.
need a fart.
Hey Yoshi. Yoshi.
Grab the anglerfish.
They ain't giving us shit.
Michael.
Hey!
That's
Whoever
not
watched
shit.
this? They not get it! Whoever watched this?
Whoever had the white backpack of bombs, your timing is terrible because it didn't blow me up at all.
Guys, there's just an innocent plunger right there! Get somebody!
What?
What's that plunger?
I got my soda. Yo, I got my soda. I got my soda. I'm gonna drink some. Yeah. It tastes good. It tastes good. It tastes good. Alright,
What's the fuck? Who wants to grab the big?
Flashlight and gold.
Let's go. Fish will bring him to spawn.
I just died. Thanks.
Yo, there's a free bag. Rub my ass.
Go get the
Plunger right
anglerfish.
there! Is anybody
Let's
gonna
go.
get that
Who
plunger?
wants to finger my butt?
Alright.
Does anybody want to get
Um,
that innocent
I'm just gonna end the
Can I
video
stick
here.
this umbrella inside you and open it?
Let's see. Ah!
Everybody go to Mimic Cave.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you. Well, actually, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna end it here. Well, guys, it's an Animal Camp Bunny, and I hope you guys liked it. Subscribe for more. Yeah, for just like this
That's what you
one.
got, white suck my dick.
And we gotta stay tuned for this. Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Let's go to
To the anglerfish.
Thanks for watching.
I'm really
Avery signing off.
Let's go.